Hey friends, welcome to Frank's Monster Garage. Let's see if we can find some cool monster trucks. Like this one, Steer Clear. It's purple with blue horns. It's pretty cool looking. Whoa, what else can we find? There's Roland from the Dirt Squad. That's pretty cool. I like that one a lot. It's a big roller on there. And check this one out. It's horsepower. It's pretty cool. And there's Yeti. It says beware Yeti, seen in the area. And we got toxic tiger shark. Or is it radioactive tiger shark? I don't know. It's pretty cool though. We got grave digger. Whoa, look how shiny that is. Super shiny. You see that? It's a really pretty one. And we've got carne asada, the taco truck. It's pretty cool. Uh-oh, I dropped it. It's upside down now. Let's see if anyone's in there making tacos right now. Pretty cool. We got Rhino Mighty. It's got two horns, like Steer Clear. And we got Megalodon. Whoa, it's pretty cool. It's a giant shark monster truck. We got Buns of Steel. Serving up hamburger and french fry. 32 degrees. And Sparkle Smash. Check this one out. It's Big Kahuna. That's not a monster truck, that's a fire truck. That's we've got the special edition, the Maximum Destruction Team Meets 2000-2001 World Champion. It's pretty cool. Let's see how the monster trucks are going to do. We found the fire truck, found Sparkle Smash, 32 degrees. Megalodon, Buns of Steel, Grave Digger, Tiger Shark, Toxic Radioactive, Carne Asada, Big Kahuna, Team Meats, Yeti, Rhino Might, Steer Clear, Rolling, and Horsepower. Wow, that's a lot of monster trucks. Let's count them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15 monster trucks? That's a lot of monster trucks. It's pretty cool. Which one was your favorite today? I really like Steer Clear because that purple paint job's really cool. It's got those two blue horns and a big purple engine. That's pretty cool. We'll see you next time, friends. Thanks for watching.